Yeah, tell my side it's a movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Talking about my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your back to your groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat.
Hi, I'm Michael Martinez, BSc 1C in Physics for Engineers. Example number 1. Two balls with the same mass move toward each other with the positive x-axis to the right. Assuming no friction and that the collision between them is perfectly elastic. Determine the velocities of the balls after the collision. The initial velocities of the balls are 30 cm per second and negative 20 cm per second. So, yung two balls, ball 1, ball 2, yung initial velocity ng ball 1 which is 30 meters per second, and yung ball 2 naman negative 20 centimeters per second. So, sa equation na natin, paano natin makuha equation 1? Gagamitin natin ng initial momentum is equal to final momentum. So, initial momentum, pwede natin gawing mass 1, velocity 1 plus mass 2, velocity 2 is equal to final mass 1, velocity 1 prime plus mass 2, velocity 2 prime. So, makakancel na yung mga mass natin. So, yung matitira na lang ay velocity 1 plus velocity 2 is equal to velocity 1 prime plus velocity 2 prime. So, yung velocity 1 prime natin which is 30 centimeters per second plus negative 20 centimeters per second. Velocity prime plus velocity 2 prime. So, yung equation 1 natin is equal to 20 centimeters per second. 20 centimeters per second is equal to velocity 1 prime plus velocity 2 prime. So, sa equation 2, ang gagamitin natin ay KE initial is equal to KE final. Yung KE initial natin pwedeng gawing 1 half mass 1 velocity 1 plus 1 half mass times velocity is equal to 1 half times mass 1 velocity 1 prime squared plus 1 half mass times velocity prime squared. Ayan. So, kakancel natin lahat ng mass. So, ang matitira na lang dyan ay velocity 1 squared plus velocity 2 squared is equal to velocity 1 prime squared plus velocity 2 prime squared. So, yung final velocity natin, itong V1 na final, tapos yung V1 is yung pagsasamahin lang natin. Ganun din sa kabila. Kaya bali mangyari dyan is V1 squared minus V1 prime squared equal to V2 prime squared minus V2 squared. Yan. Ganyan ang mangyari. So, ifa-factor lang natin para simplify natin. V1 minus V2 prime times V2 plus V2 prime is equal to V2 prime minus V2 over V2 prime plus V2. So, yung equation to natin. Tapos, yung gagawin natin, i-divide natin. Nakuha natin na equation 1 which is V1 minus V1 squared is equal to V1 V2 prime minus V squared V2. So, cancel. cancel. Tapos yan. So, bali ang matitira, alam, V1 plus V1 prime is equal to V2 prime plus V2. So, pag lilipat-lipatin lang ulit natin, yan, negative V1 prime plus V2 prime. So, lalabas lang natin negative V1 prime minus V2 prime. V1 minus V2. Yung V1 natin is 30 minus negative 20. So, ang equation 2 natin na nakuha ay 15 centimeters per second equal to V2 prime minus V1 prime. So, i-add lang natin equation 1. Then is equal to V1 prime plus V2 prime. At saka yung equation 2 na 50 is equal to V2 prime minus V1 prime. Kakancel natin yan. Magiging sagot ay 60 is equal to 2 V2 prime. Divide 2 divided by 2. So yung V2 prime natin is equal to 30 centimeters per second. So substitute na natin yung mga nakuha natin. So, 10 is equal to V1 prime plus V2 prime. So, ilipat lang natin. V1 prime is equal to 10 minus V2 prime. So, yung V2 prime natin, so, nalagay ko na lang dito. 10 minus V2 prime natin is equal to 30. Bali, ang sagot natin, negative 20 centimeters per second.